Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight, finally, I have tried, I hope this works because I actually haven't tried it yet. I have tried for ages to get a wireless mic set up for this wonderful camera that I have, this Sony 4K camera that I picked up about a year ago now. And look, I tried getting a genuine Sony wireless setup, didn't work. I tried getting an Amazon, it was highly reviewed, and it didn't work. It had too much static and stuff in it. So I decided to go old school and picked up this on eBay, brand new in the box, never used. This is a Radio Shack or Realistic FM wireless video camera microphone system. And I want to share with you taking this thing out of the box because it's literally never been used to the best of my knowledge. I mean, it appears as good as new and is old. I mean, it is old. But I did see a video on this, or no, I don't think it was a video, but I was able to confirm that this will work with my camera. So let's hope that I finally have some wireless microphone capabilities here. We'll do a little range test with this thing when I get it hooked up. Hopefully you'll like it, so maybe some of you can comment on the audio quality of this once we get it plugged in. Let's check it out. And here it is in its original orange glory. FM wireless microphone system, catalog number 32-1226. I mean, look at how perfectly kept that thing is. It must have been kept in an attic because it doesn't have any musty smell to it. Tie clip, electric condenser mic, receiver and transmitter, low battery indicators, high-low volume, universal mounting shoe, mic output and earphone jacks. Includes earphone and microphone hookup cable. Right on, right on. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. I'm kind of excited. This came in the mail today, and I've been kind of wanting to play with it ever since I ordered it. Very inexpensive, compared especially to the other two that I've already had to return. One of them I stuck with. The other one I returned because it just wasn't working very well. All right, here we go. Oh, man, look at this. 610 of 89. Will technology from the late 80s work with a modern, very modern camera? We'll see. All right, 9-volt batteries, belt clips. Very cool. All right, set that aside. Look at this, man. It's like opening up a piece of the past. Oh my God, it genuinely has never been opened. Here we go. This is the transmitter, Realistic FM wireless video camera microphone system. On off, there's our battery indicator if it goes low. And then we got that. It's our little clip-on mic there. Alligator clip. Alright, let's take a look at this side. Right on, there's our shoe. Mic out, earphone, and that's if we want to. So what we want is, this is going to get attached. This is going to get attached right here. We'll go with a jumper wire into the camera. Got a nice antenna on there. We'll go ahead and use that. Look at that, it's in perfect shape. Low, high, and volume. Oh, the volume is low and high. Cool, so we can experiment with that too. On the back here, here's our battery compartment. Uh-oh, I don't want to hurt this. Oh, look at that, never used. Gosh, really looks like it's in great shape. Let's see about this one. Also looks like it's never been used. All right, let's see what else we got. Yep. Here's our little jumper wire. That's going to go between the receiver and the camera. And what's this? I don't even know why I'm taking this out. A little earphone so you can monitor it if I have a cameraman on site, right? I could have a monitor there. I'll leave that one in there because I always hated that style of mic, or that style of earphone. All right, well, tell you what, let me go ahead and put some batteries in this, and we're going to hook it up to the camera, and we're going to give it a shot, okay? All right, here we are on low, and again, I'm going to do the walk around. So also, I might try changing up the location of the mic itself. Right now, it's kind of facing away from me, but yeah, so I'm over here on the other side of the shop. Maybe we'll go outside here in a bit and see what it looks like or what it sounds like when we're way far away. But this is something I've been wanting to do. I'm going to take a picture of it because it's kind of comical looking, having the old antenna. It's just like this tall sitting on top of that.
But I mean, it works. It fit right in the shoe. It plugged right in. I can see that it's recording, and it just blows me away that I have struggled and struggled and struggled trying to get this thing to have wireless mic capability, and it may just be that I use 1988 technology in order to get that done. So let me go ahead and move the mic here. All right, here we are outside. I'm kind of curious. Again, I'm talking in like the lowest hushed tone I can come up with here, but I'm going to go for a walk up here and see how this thing works up there. We'll take a few feet back. We got the satellite on this side, we got the satellite on that side, we got solar on that side, we're building a tower on this side, there's antennas up here. I call this the antenna farm part of Farpoint Farms, and hopefully you can still hear me. The old big dish here is working really well. The home cable is the name brand of that one, and it works pretty good. I gotta say, it's really been kind of a fun thing to play with. Solar's still cranking out even though we're headed into fall. You can see some leaves on the ground. This tree here was just a little sapling when we moved in. It's a maple, so hopefully this thing maintains its awesomeness as the years go on. So, well, I guess that's going to do it. I'll start coming closer because I can't imagine ever really getting any farther away from the camera than this. So let me do that now. Well, I'm going to miss summer. I'm going to miss this kind of weather too. I'm not looking forward to winter. Never been a fan of winter. I know it was part of the reason we came up here was to experience all 4 seasons, but sometimes I'd rather just experience maybe 3 of those. Maybe a weekend of this 4th season. Christmas would be nice. That's about it. Anyway, that's it for this little demonstration and unboxing of a very vintage piece of realistic equipment, and that is the Radio Shack FM wireless camera transmitter and receiver. I'm going to call it a success. I'll see you next time. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little